know how you can exclude your family members from drawing each other on Elfster. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So websites and apps like Elfster basically draw names, and giftsters are designed specifically for organizing gift exchanges and include options to set restrictions. Organizer role: when the person setting up the gift exchange, the organizer does have the ability to set these exclusions. So in order to go ahead and set the exclusion, the organizer can go into the group settings and select which participants should not draw specific other participants. For example, you can ensure a spouse doesn't draw their partner. In many cases, setting an exclusion for one person automatically applies. So in many cases, setting an exclusion for one person automatically applies the exclusion for the other person in the pair, simplifying the process. Once all exclusions are set, the application's algorithm will automatically perform the draw, ensuring that all restrictions are respected. So I hope this video clarifies a lot. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.